The electric SUV market is about to enter a completely new era, and the 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse could be the vehicle that changes everything. BMW is not just launching another EV, it's introducing an entirely new generation of electric mobility built from the ground up. With futuristic styling, next-generation battery technology, ultra-fast charging, and a claimed driving range of up to 500 miles, the iX3 Neue Klasse is shaping up to be one of the most important electric SUVs ever created. This vehicle represents BMW's vision for the future, combining luxury, performance, sustainability, and intelligent software into one revolutionary package. What makes the iX3 especially exciting is how it promises to solve some of the biggest problems EV buyers still worry about today: range anxiety, charging speed, and long-distance practicality. BMW says the Neue Klasse platform will dramatically improve efficiency while reducing charging times, making EV ownership easier than ever before. Add premium BMW driving dynamics and a completely redesigned digital experience, and this SUV could become a serious rival to Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and even Lucid. The future of electric luxury SUVs is arriving fast, and the 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse might lead the revolution. The 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse introduces one of the boldest design transformations in BMW history. Inspired by the futuristic Neue Klasse concept, the SUV blends clean minimalism with aggressive modern proportions. Unlike traditional BMW SUVs, the new iX3 features smoother aerodynamic surfaces, sharper LED lighting signatures, and a simplified front fascia designed specifically for electric efficiency. The iconic kidney grille remains, but it's reimagined into a sleek illuminated design element rather than a large cooling intake. The result is a vehicle that looks futuristic without losing BMW's unmistakable identity. From the side profile, the iX3 appears athletic and streamlined, with flush door handles, large aerodynamic wheels, and a longer wheelbase that improves both interior space and road presence. BMW's designers focused heavily on airflow optimization, helping maximize efficiency and range. At the rear, ultra-thin taillights and sculpted surfaces create a premium high-tech appearance that feels years ahead of many current EV competitors. One of the most impressive aspects of the exterior design is how premium and sophisticated it feels without being overly complicated. BMW is moving toward a cleaner design philosophy, where technology and elegance work together. Expect advanced matrix-LED lighting, panoramic glass roof options, and new sustainable materials used throughout the body construction. The iX3 Neue Klasse doesn't just look like another EV, it genuinely feels like the beginning of BMW's next generation. Inside the 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse, the transformation becomes even more dramatic. BMW is introducing an entirely new cabin philosophy centered around simplicity, digital intelligence, and sustainability. The dashboard design is ultra-minimalist, featuring fewer physical buttons and a massive panoramic digital interface that stretches across the driver's field of view. BMW's next-generation iDrive system is expected to deliver faster processing, smarter AI integration, and a more immersive user experience than ever before. The centerpiece of the cabin is likely to be BMW's new panoramic vision display system, projecting key driving information directly onto the windshield across the entire width of the cabin. Combined with advanced voice controls and iPod personalization, the iX3 could offer one of the most futuristic driving environments in the industry. Drivers may be able to customize layouts, lighting themes, entertainment settings, and navigation experiences with unprecedented flexibility. Comfort also plays a huge role in the Neue Klasse philosophy. Expect premium sustainable materials, advanced ambient lighting, ventilated seats, and spacious rear passenger accommodation thanks to the dedicated EV platform. BMW is reportedly focusing heavily on eco-friendly interior materials without sacrificing luxury. The cabin should feel both modern and warm, balancing high technology with everyday usability. Passengers can also expect advanced connectivity features, over-the-air software updates, smartphone integration, and next-generation driver assistance systems. The iX3 isn't simply designed to transport people, it's designed to become a smart digital living space on wheels. Performance is where the 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse could truly redefine expectations for electric SUVs. BMW's new generation EV platform is expected to introduce major improvements in efficiency, power delivery, and battery technology. The headline feature is the projected driving range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, potentially making the iX3 one of the longest-range electric SUVs available anywhere in the world. BMW plans to use newly developed cylindrical battery cells that are smaller, lighter, and more energy-dense than current battery designs. These advanced batteries could improve energy efficiency by as much as 25% while reducing charging time significantly. That means drivers may finally enjoy true long-distance EV capability without constantly planning charging stops. Performance should also remain a major strength. BMW has always been known for delivering sporty driving dynamics, and the iX3 Neue Klasse is expected to continue that tradition. Dual-motor all-wheel drive variants will likely offer rapid acceleration, precise handling, and balanced weight distribution. Instant electric torque combined with BMW chassis engineering could make the iX3 one of the most enjoyable luxury EVs to drive. Another exciting possibility is the introduction of advanced software-controlled driving modes that adapt suspension, steering, and regenerative braking in real time. Whether cruising comfortably on highways or attacking twisty roads, the iX3 aims to combine performance and efficiency better than many current rivals. This is not just about range, numbers, it's about redefining what an electric luxury SUV can feel like behind the wheel. One of the biggest promises of the 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse is dramatically improved charging technology. BMW says its next-generation EV architecture will support significantly faster DC charging speeds, potentially allowing drivers to add hundreds of miles of range in only minutes. This could become a major advantage for buyers who regularly travel long distances and want EV ownership to feel more convenient. BMW's new 800-volt electrical system is expected to play a huge role here. Compared to many current EV platforms, the higher voltage setup enables faster charging, better efficiency, and improved thermal management. In real-world conditions, this means less waiting at charging stations and more confidence during road trips. If BMW delivers on its promises, the iX3 could become one of the easiest electric SUVs to live with every day. Practicality also appears to be a major focus. The longer wheelbase and dedicated EV architecture should provide generous passenger room, increased cargo capacity, and smarter storage solutions throughout the cabin. Families will likely appreciate the spacious rear seating, large panoramic roof, and flat floor design that maximizes interior comfort. BMW is also expected to improve route planning software that automatically calculates charging stops based on traffic, terrain, weather, and driving style. Combined with access to expanding fast-charging networks across the United States, Canada, and Europe, the iX3 Neue Klasse may finally help push EV ownership fully into the mainstream luxury market. Although official pricing has not yet been confirmed, the 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse is expected to compete directly with premium electric SUVs like the Tesla Model Y Performance, Audi Q6 e-tron, Mercedes EQE SUV, and upcoming Porsche electric crossovers. Industry analysts predict a starting price somewhere between $65,000 and $85,000 depending on trim level, battery size, and performance configuration. At first glance, that may sound expensive, but the long-term value proposition could be extremely strong. BMW's next-generation battery technology is designed to improve durability, energy efficiency, and charging reliability, potentially lowering ownership costs over time. Lower maintenance requirements compared to gasoline vehicles also make EVs increasingly attractive for luxury buyers. Another key factor is software longevity. BMW plans extensive over-the-air updates, meaning the iX3 may continue receiving performance improvements, new features, and interface enhancements years after purchase. This approach helps future-proof the vehicle and maintain stronger resale value in a rapidly evolving EV market. Government EV incentives in certain countries and regions may also reduce ownership costs for some buyers. In North America and Europe, premium EV demand continues growing rapidly, and BMW's reputation for quality and driving enjoyment gives the iX3 a strong competitive position. If BMW delivers everything it promises, the new class iX3 may become one of the smartest long-term luxury EV investments of the decade. The 2027 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse is shaping up to be far more than just another electric SUV. It represents BMW's complete reinvention for the electric future, combining cutting-edge technology, premium luxury, impressive performance, and potentially game-changing range into one highly advanced package. From its futuristic design and intelligent digital cabin to its next-generation battery system and ultra-fast charging capabilities, the iX3 could become one of the most influential EV launches in years. What makes this SUV especially important is its potential to remove many of the remaining compromises that still make some buyers hesitant about electric vehicles. A 500-mile range, rapid charging, spacious practicality, and genuine BMW driving dynamics could create an EV experience that finally feels effortless for everyday life. Competition in the electric SUV market is becoming incredibly intense, but BMW appears ready to fight at the highest level. If production models stay close to the ambitious promises BMW has already revealed, the iX3 Neue Klasse may not only compete with rivals, it could set an entirely new benchmark for premium electric SUVs worldwide. The EV revolution is accelerating rapidly, and BMW clearly intends to lead the next chapter.